beautiful people, welcome back to IAM Food Life. This is your host Kankana and I'm back with lots of fun and lots of recipes. For that, we need to call our Chef John. Please welcome. Hello Chef John.
Hi Kankana, thank you very much.
How are you?
I'm very good. So let's do some dhamaka today.
Yes, with chicken.
Chicken, yes.
Let's start, Chef.
So hello everyone, and today we're going to show you how to make kosha mangsho, and it is a pure simple homemade recipe, and Bengali loves it. I think all over India people loves it, and very simple and easy. So let's start. It's very simple. You see the ingredients are here.
Yes.
Not much: onion, tomato, yogurt. I have some little tomato paste, ginger garlic paste, and here is your murgi.
Murgi.
In Bengali, murgi. Okay, so let's start. How are you, Kankana?
I'm good, Chef. How's your Corona life going on?
Excellent.
So as we are celebrating like Independence Special Week, right?
Yeah, so today, as we are celebrating independence,
Yes.
Kankana, can you sing one independence song?
Oh my God, Chef. Okay, will you sing with me?
No, you sing, I will cook.
No, you join with me, please.
So once you sing, the food will ready fast.
Okay, so I'm not good at singing, but let's try. ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
Very nice.
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू.
हाँ, very good. वंदे मातरम. चलो, okay, वंदे मातरम बोल दिया.
ए वतन मेरे वतन.
Okay.
So let's do some cooking.
Yeah. So by
after
the
singing.
time you see, I put some 2-3 pieces of red chili dry,
Okay.
and a little bit of cardamom, cloves, and we put the onion here.
Okay. So Chef, this is a Bengali recipe, right?
Yes. So Bengali recipe.
So as you are Bengali, can you sing something in Bengali?
Don't tell me. My audience will run away.
No, Chef, never. You made me sing, now I'll make you sing.
My audience will run away.
See, I have sung for you, right? But Chef is not doing that.
Your work to sing, my work to cook.
Oh.
So once the onion is cooking, we chop the tomato. So tomato हम लोग chop करेंगे, okay? We will chop the tomato.
Okay. So Chef,
Hmm.
I can see something red here. So what's this?
This is beetroot. Beetroot मालूम है beetroot?
Yes, of course.
It's a beetroot relish, like a chutney style.
Okay.
So जब हम लोग plate करेंगे, you will see what I will do.
Okay. So beetroot is very healthy.
Yeah. So it's like a chutney.
Okay. So Chef, tell me something about this recipe.
This is simple recipe, okay? Like you can have with rice, you can have with luchi. Remember the luchi we did?
Yes, of course I do.
So you can have with luchi, you can have with roti, whatever you feel like you can have.
Okay. So not much ingredients needed, right?
No. It's like basically what you get at your home. See the onion now? It's almost like brown.
Okay.
Okay.
So it's golden brown.
So almost brown. We'll add the ginger garlic paste. Jeera powder. Okay.
Turmeric powder.
Haldi. Then
Lal mirch powder.
red chili powder. Very good, Kankana. Let's go. Then then nothing.
Then nothing. कुछ नहीं.
If you want to make spicy, you can put more red meat. Okay, now हम लोग के tomato add कर रहे हैं. We'll add the tomato.
So can we add green chilies over here, chef?
Sure, sure. Why not? You can add green chilies. Green chilies will give you very good aromas to the food. And if you want spicy, you can give more green chilies. That's fine.
Okay. Wow, the scent. It's amazing. Because of the spices, the aroma is really, really, very, I can't say, I can't even express.
Okay. हम लोग थोड़ा tomato paste add करेंगे इसमें.
Okay.
Little bit tomato paste to give rich texture in the kosha.
So this tomato paste, it will give like sweetness or like tanginess?
No, it will give tanginess. This tomato paste is not really sweet. Okay. Now we will add the chicken.
So we are ready to add the chicken.
Are you hungry?
I'm always hungry, chef. You know I'm a very, very big foodie, right?
So then I think I have to change my host.
You will not get a better host than me.
Okay. So,
Am I right?
Yeah, you're an excellent host, and sometimes you help me.
Yeah, like I make foodie also, right? Ruchi for you.
So that it cooked. It's jumping.
I think so.
Remember that tuk tak
Kurukara.
kurukara? Now chicken is jumping.
Did you kill the chicken?
Yes, that's fine. Anyway, so we cover it for like just 3-4 minutes. We cover it.
Okay.
So cover करेगा देखो. You see, it's very nice color because of the red chili and the tomato paste we put. Now we will add yogurt. So once we add the yogurt, you see Kankana, see
Yeah.
tomato paste and the chili give a nice,
You can see the color, right?
yeah. So
red. Wow.
now it's, it won't take long time to cook because the pieces are very small. I cut,
Yes, I have seen.
and the pieces are very small, so it won't take very long time. So by the time it's cooking, we can start doing plating. What do you think?
Yeah, sure. I'll help you.
Okay. So by the time we start plating, this time we do, since we are celebrating Independence Day, we do something colorful. Like, what do you think? Colorful. The plate should look colorful and symbols our India.
As India is full of color.
Yeah. So definitely, let's start.
Yeah.
So you can see the kosa is ready.
See the
Kanu, now can you tell me what I will add now here? What I will add? Tell me. You
Salt.
Very good. So you have worked with me. So always you remember what?
Yeah, salt to put in the last.
Last. Very good.
So I'm almost on the
Become-
way to
become a
being
chef.
a full chef.
Okay. So
The chicken is almost ready, chef.
almost ready. So now we will do the plating.
Okay.
So by the time plating is done, the chicken is already done. So we do the plating.
Okay.
So here we plate it. Now you are telling this one is, I told you,
Beetroot, yeah.
beetroot relish.
Oh, amazing.
So we do something colorful. So like Independence Day special.
So you all can see, right? Cooking is not about learning like a parrot. Cooking is all about experimenting new things, right? Having fun in the ingredients, whatever you have in the kitchen, you can make any kind of dishes. So whatever ingredients we have in our kitchen, we can always do an experiment, right, chef?
Yes. So see now, let's make some Indian flag.
Oh wow.
So this is, I have rice with spinach.
Okay.
So rice with spinach.
So that's why the color is green.
As the color is green. You spinach जो होता है पालक,
Yes.
पालक को अच्छा से अब गर्म पानी में थोड़ा ब्लांच करके,
Okay.
आफ्टर यू ब्लांच यू पुट इन द आइस वाटर.
Mm-hmm.
आइस वाटर इसीलिए डालना पड़ता है तो उसका कलर विल नॉट गो,
Okay. Okay.
सो द कलर विल रिमेन,
In the spinach.
yeah, the green, the proper green color will there. Otherwise अगर आप if you don't put in the ice water तो उसका कलर फेड हो जाएगा.
Okay.
ठीक है.
So today I can see we are going to make tricolor rice, right?
Very tricolor rice. So since we are celebrating
Independence Week. So here comes our Indian flag.
no, I think अगर कोई भी खाना प्लेट में देखने अच्छा लगे तो खाने में भी मजा आए. Whenever I used to make the plating, the guest says no, we don't want to trouble the food. Means
Oh,
not
yeah.
to make the food to be disturbed. क्योंकि मैं बोला plating खराब हो जाएगा.
Like that day, you remember the luchi and
Yeah.
Kashmiri aloo dum.
You didn't eat because
Yeah, I didn't want to touch. I didn't want to, disturb the presentation. So it was
So-
looking really very
so this
nice.
is a rice. Okay, this is the, you can see saffron rice. This is the rice with carrot.
Okay.
Okay, rice with carrot. So give you the saffron color.
So you can see the color of chicken. Wow.
The chicken also done.
Okay.
Okay, so we remove this one slowly. So you can see the tricolor. Okay, the tricolor is there. Rice.
See, you can make the rice also as a, you can turn it into a healthy recipe instead
Okay.
of eating plain rice.
Yeah. So now we'll put the chicken. It's ready. So we'll add the chicken.
Wow. The scent of the chicken. Chef, don't we have any kind of dessert today?
Of course, yes.
We have.
I will give a
Wow.
dessert because since I special week, special food. So we put chicken here. Okay, we put chicken. So rice is falling down. No worries. And make it turn. Okay, the chicken is here. And the dessert, can you tell me what is the dessert?
Oh my god, this is one of my favorite, and this is very very popular in Bengali.
It's called a pati shapta.
Pati Shapta, yes.
So we put a pati shapta here.
Wow. You can see. Even
So-
today also I don't want to touch it. I don't want to, break
So
the
this is-
presentation.
Pati shapta pite with tricolor rice with kosha mangsho. So I hope I want to try kankana.
Of course, I'm hungry as always.
Okay, so you can try from here because you don't want to disturb the plate,
No, thank you, chef. So I'll not eat the rice. I'll just taste the kosha mangso. Okay. Amazing. It's so tangy in flavor, right? It's so yummy. It's a bit spicy. So, and the flavor of dry spices plus whole spices is giving a very very yummy flavor.
So I hope you enjoy my session, a simple recipe. So please come again for my next episode and something different. Thank you, stay safe and have a great day.